Hey guys, we're back in the Mercedes Benz ESL emulator programming. This time we have 2010 C-Class C300. This is a w207, and this is special, guys. Our customer came all the way from Baltimore. We have a friend, Luis
and Alex.
They drove all the way from Baltimore. We're in Greensboro, North Carolina.
5 hours and a half.
Oh man.
5 horas y media manejamos.
All right, let's get started, guys, and I'll show you how we're gonna do it. All right, so we already have it hooked up. You probably see most of my video how I hooked it up, so I'm not gonna show you that. So Luis gave us his EIS. Let me put it here. Stand here. So we got it EIS already here, and he's watching us, so I gotta be careful, man. So there's the EIS and the key, so we're getting programmed right now. So how was the trip, man?
No estaba muy mal el viaje aquí, la verdad. Pues yo vi el video de él también en YouTube y la verdad nunca pensé que él me fuera a ayudar, y le dije a mi cuñado Alex que viniéramos y pues se animó él también, y aquí estamos. Vamos a ver si él nos puede ayudar. Él asegura que sí, y así que esperemos que nos ayude.
So you found me on YouTube?
I will.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So here we are. We can program this to him. He heard a lot of you heard a lot of how to fix for this, right?
Yeah.
Different kinds, but
yeah.
He want to go to our emulator because he don't want to be doing all over and over again. So let's get this started, and let's go ahead. Now we already saved the files right now. The next step we're gonna do is I gotta save file. Let's go back here. Then we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna add a key. As usual, we're gonna add the key to get the password calculated. And this is the original key, and we're gonna have an unprogrammed key. So on bench gbox w207, same one. Okay. Let's see. Let me zoom this real quick, guys. Let's begin. So we're still connected on our EIS, and now it's reading the EIS data. We already read it and saved it. So original key fob, pressed it, recognize, put in the IR keyhole, press OK. So this time we have to calculate the password. Without the password, we won't be able to transfer the file or program this emulator. So right now that's you need current key to do that. So it's asking us, is this ignition is smart key? No, it's not a smart key. Press OK. Yes, data success. Then it's gonna read the blank key. This is the blank key. Press the frequency, put it here, press OK. All right, so it's communicating right now. And once we start doing the password calculation, that might take, it depends on 30 minutes. See, is there any key password? No password. Press OK to enter the password calculation. Okay. Let's see. Let's go ahead. There you go. Now we're gonna go begin. Press OK. Insert the key to the EIS. This asking for the original key. Just insert it, do not turn it. There you go. So you can see it's reading. This should be blinking, or the programmer. Pull the ignition key out, pull it out, press OK. So we're just following the instruction, whatever it says here, and do not rush it. It might take time. So you can see this one is blinking on top. That means it's communicating pretty good. Sometimes this XP400 Pro are blinking. That means we are communicating pretty good as well. And as you can see, that's our reading. There you go. All right. I think it's gonna put this key back to the programmer, but we have to wait until they prompt us. And also make sure you have a good Wi-Fi. You needed that, and your your G-box is connected to 15 volts. Insert the key into the EIS, put it back again, press OK for 2 seconds. So 2, 1, 0. Confirm the word it can be turned on. Yes, it can be turned on. Press OK. After pulling the ignition out, put it to the programmer. There you go. So from here, you'll see that we're going to be calculating the password. Let's see, it's still reading. It's still reading. There you go. Password calculation is being performed by 3 people on the server. You may have to wait longer. Yes, this is saying that there's 3 more people that was trying to get the password all over the world. So we have to wait for that and come back. This one says from 10 to 30 minutes. So we're currently on the 4th place. So this happened to me, especially it's a weekends. A lot of people are doing this job as well, but it could take 10 to 30 minutes, sometimes quicker, sometimes later. So let's take a pause and come back. All right guys, so we have the password. Guess what, it's only like 3 minutos, right?
3 minutos.
3 minutos, that's it. Let me get my other phone. Let's see. What I'm gonna do is take a picture of the password, because we're gonna need that one. Even though it says 10 to 30 minutes, it depends, man. I think they know that I've been doing this. They took me prioritized than other people. So that's good. Insert the key to the EIS and wait for 30 seconds. Put the key. All right, so count down for 30 seconds. That's what we're doing. All right, so we have 19 seconds. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There you go. Password calculation complete. Okay. Generating key file. All right. Now that with the password, when they acquire the password, they generate the key file that it will create as another key, and the password that we're gonna need to program our emulator. Please insert the blank key in our keyhole. This is the blank key. Press OK. I can remove the original one. Detecting key. As you can see, it's blinking here. All right, writing key file. As you can see, still blinking here. That means it's converting it and it's transferring the file on this key. There you go. Addition key is complete, and this is how you check it. Press OK. If you look closer here, they will have a red dot here. You'll see it and they will disappear. Right there, red dot. Turn. We'll do it again. You'll see the red dot and disappear, and that's good to go. Press OK. All right, then we're gonna go back to program the emulator. All right, let's go back. Then we're going to ESL tool. Once you get to the ESL tool, let's check the diagram. W207. This one will be, let's see, we're gonna connect our emulator to the EIS. Let me take a pause. Let me go ahead and connect this real quick. We're back. So you can see our emulator is turning red. That means we're connected. Let's go back again, and then go W207. Has G-Box been used? Yes. Click that. Communicating. We're gonna write the ESL data.
Ya está.
reading the ESL. So you can see it's blinking green.
No.
All right, reading ESL data, communicating. So you can see now it's turned red. We might need to put a password here. I think the new update might not need to put the password. We just had a new update. The password was recognized right away, but previously we had to manually put it in. We'll see if this new update is pretty easier to work on right now. All right, still reading it.
Mira la moto que tiene.
All right, you just gotta be patient with this one because we still have connected. We're still connecting to the server. Make sure okay. You gotta make sure your connection is still good. As you can see, this one kind of disconnected a little bit by moving, so my red wire kind of popped off. There you go. That's what happened. You have to be careful. The wires are still there. So let's go to EIS EEPROM, EIS data, and then we're gonna get, today is the 23rd. So this is the 23rd. So you make sure you have everything connected properly. There you go. Blinking red right here. It's loading it. And I'm pretty sure they're gonna ask the password now. And make sure my connection is still okay. All right. Loading. There you go. Press OK. Then we're gonna put the password. We still have to put the password. Say 3D07. With the password, you have to be very careful with these, that you don't miss any letters or number. 307A8 302 302 E071FF 3 Fs. Then press enter. Let's press OK. There you go. See the emulator turning green, blinking green. Then it's gonna go red. So it's writing it. There you go, red. And let's wait. It's succeeded in writing. That's it, guys. And now let's test it. Let's go ahead and test if this is working or not. And we know it's gonna work. All right, where's my platform? Right here. This is my test platform. Turn this on. Then let's go ahead and connect our emulator. This one. This is the emulator. Then connect the EIS. All right. Make sure this is plugged in. See that red? Let's use the original key right here. See that? Green, that means that'll start. You put a start, it still stays green. Some emulator, when you do that, it stopped working. And this one, you flip anyway, it will start the car. That's it. Last test is good, and this is the other key. Check this out. There you go. Do it again. There you go. Now it's recognized. You just have to reintroduce it. There you go. That's it, guys. This is good to go. Of course, even though this is good to go, we just have to make sure that it's working. They're watching me to make sure everything is right. But so they're gonna bring this to them. Hopefully they'll install it soon, maybe next week. Couple days?
By Monday.
By Monday. So they can install it and they can tell us if everything is good, and we're gonna update you guys if it's working. This is good to go, man.
All right, thank you.
All right, guys, we'll come back whenever it's ready, okay? I'll see you guys later.